Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video, I have mentioned about the stock of Avanti Field. So if you have seen the today's price action of the this particular stock, you can definitely see that our analysis was on the right line, and not only that, the stock was also able to close with some sort of gain at the end of the trading session. So let us analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty's move, and then we are going to analyze, and I'm also going to suggest you some of the stocks which I feel can trade with a stable to bullish kind of bias for the tomorrow. Now if you see the Nifty, we have purchased the put option of the Nifty, and we are expecting that the market should go down, but as you can see, the red line, which is 5 days exponential high, has been acting as a good sort of support for the market. The Nifty was stalling at a high level. You can see that the two candle which has been which is suggesting that there is some sort of uncertainty at a high level. In the today's candle also was suggesting that the market participants are not sure whether this kind of gains will sustain or not. But since we are not left with a good amount of days, and the particular option that we have purchased, a put option, can deteriorate in value if the Nifty continues to trade in this particular fashion. So that's the only reason we have covered our position. But I still feel that if the market drops below the red line, which is 5 days exponential high, it can definitely go down till 10,371, which is 21 days exponential low. Now if you see the option activity range for the today, you can see that 10,500 to 10,800 is the broad option activity range for the market. On a call side, what you can see is the higher side has seen a call writing. Apart from that, the lower side, like 10,500 to 10,600, has seen a call long covering. So all in all, stable to bearish kind of move is what the market participants are expecting as of now. Put data again is suggesting some sort of a different move than what the call participants are expecting. Continuous put writing is happening near the lower level, especially near the level of 10,500 to 10,550 and also 10,600. So market participants are expecting that the market should trade above 10,600, and 10,550 is being seen as a good sort of support for the market. However, on the high side, like 10,750 to 10,650 kind of level has seen a put long covering, and a fresh bearish position is also seen at a level of 10,750. So all in all, call data is bearish, but the put data suggests that the market participants are expecting a support at a lower level. So once again, you can see some sort of tidy range for the market, in which the overall price action could remain confined. But what I feel is close below the red line, which is 5 days exponential high, and we can definitely going to see a target of 10,371. So as of now, we are not holding any position. We have covered our puts with a loss. Now let us see how the market trades, and as I have suggested, if it closes and if it trades and closes below the red line, we are definitely going to see the option chart data, and then we can accordingly decide whether we can go short or hold. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So let me find out where the Bank Nifty is. So here is a Bank Nifty. So let us start our analysis with the option activity range first. So 24,000 to 25,500 is what the option activity range for the Nifty. You can see that the the price action can suggest that the 21 days exponential low has been acting as a good sort of support for the market. Market did went down till as you can see around 24,476 kind of level, but all the lower moves did got rejected because of some buying that has been happening near this particular level, and finally the market was able to close slightly near the previous candles close. Now if you analyze the option data, call participants are definitely expecting a resistance starting from 24,700 and extending to 25,300. On our lower side, 24,600 to 24,000, a call long is getting covered. So all in all, again a stable to bearish kind of position is what market participants are expecting. But the things gets quite tricky when you again see the put data, where you can see that the continuous put writing is also happening here only. So on a lower side, like 24,000 to 25,000 kind of level has seen a good amount of put writing, which is extending a good sort of support for the market at a lower level. So you can see that every dip is going to get bought, and that's the only reason why the market is not able to trade below the lower levels which we have been expecting. So as of now, I feel that the market should trade with a stable to bullish kind of formation. However, a long could be initiated in the bank nifty only up to 25,190, because that will be the break of a 5 days exponential high, and we can also going to see a bullish crossover in the 583, and RSI should trade above this exponential average. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let me share some of the stocks which I have found out that could trade with a good amount of momentum on a bullish side. So one stock could be the PTC Financials. Again, alkali metals could also trade with a stable to bullish kind of move. Prime Focus is also a stock which has seen a good amount of a position, a long build up today. Further, Minda Crop can also see a good amount of movement. It has already closed with a 14% gain today. Uh, so Astra microwave I have already suggested in my previous video, but I was it was left to be mentioned. So all in all, you can see that the three stocks are there: PTC Financial, Alkali Metals, Prime Focus, and Minda Corps are the stocks which I feel should trade the stable to bullish kind of bias for the tomorrow. So that's it for today's video, guys. As always, if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and family, and in case if you have any doubt, comment, question, or query, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. Thank you.